No, it's not my first time. I've been here. I was 7, 8 years ago. I was living here for 6 months. When I was maybe 17 years ago, I studied corporeal mime for 4 months with Desmond Jones in London. And I received something in email about this class, and I think, yeah, I want to do something like this, and I want to remember what I learned, and you know, to have the experience again. And so I think, yeah, it's nice to come at this time for me. Yes, I think it's really nice because you're meeting people from all over the world, and yeah, it's lovely weather. It's nice to be hot, and yeah, it's a very good thing to do. It's very interesting with different people. It's possible. I'm thinking that I would like to see if there is a short class in England, in London, that I can make what I learned here stronger. I'm thinking to look for this, yeah.